In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your files in Google Drive. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just need a refresher on the basics, stay tuned. Let's dive in and start with navigating to Google Drive. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage where all your file management magic happens. Once you're in, you might want to start by uploading some files. To do this, you'll notice a plus new button located at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see an option that says File Upload. Click on that option. This will prompt a file selection window to appear from where you can choose the files from your device that you want to upload. This is a great way to keep important documents, photos and projects accessible from anywhere with internet access. With files uploaded, organizing them is the next step to keeping things tidy. For that, you'll want to use folders. Head back to that handy plus new button. This time select new folder from the drop down menu. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your folder. Choose a name that's descriptive enough to help you find what you're looking for later. Organization is key to efficiency after all. Once your folder is created, you can start organizing your files into these folders. Click and drag files from your main drive area into the folder. Alternatively, for a more guided approach, right click on the file you wish to move. From the context menu, click on Organize and then Move to and select your desired folder. Google Drive also makes sharing your files a breeze. To share, right click on the file you want others to access and choose the Share option. You can enter email addresses directly of those with whom you wish to share, or simply get a shareable link that you can distribute as needed. You'll also want to consider the level of access you're granting. You can set the access as viewer, commenter or editor, depending on how much control you want to give others over your file. Now if you need to download any files back to your device, this is also simple. Right click on the file you want to download and then select Download. Your file will be saved to your computer, ready for offline access. And finally, let's talk about deleting files you no longer need. Right click on the file you wish to remove and select Move to Trash. If you're sure that you want to permanently delete a file and free up space, navigate to the trash from the left panel and delete the file permanently. And there you have it. With these steps, you've got the basics of Google Drive management down. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more efficient with time.